Hi friends, how are you all? I welcome you all to today's class. Today let us discuss grammar part, adverb and kinds of adverb. Let us discuss in depth. Let us study deeply about adverbs. So before starting the class, please like, share it to all your friends and groups friends as it is very useful, and subscribe my channel. And thank you for all your support. Now let us start the class. So let us learn the uses of an adverb. What is an adverb? The definition is, it describes or adds some meaning to a verb, an adjective or another adverb. And it adds some meaning to a verb. It adds some meaning to a verb, an adjective or another adverb is called as an adverb. It adds or modifies verb, adjective or another adverb. Okay friends, describes or adds some meaning to a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Another definition, let us see. It tells us how, when, where an action was done. It also tells us how an action was done. How was it done? When was it done? Where was it done? How, when and where. It tells us how it happened, when it happened, where it happened. The word adverbs will tell us. This is another definition. So let us see. She sings well. She sings well. Well is an adverb because she sings. Sings is a verb. Sings well. Sings well. Well adds some meaning to the verb sings. How she sings? Sings well. Well adds some meaning to the verb sings. So well is an adverb because it adds some meaning to a verb. Or else it modifies a verb. So well is an adverb. We can ask like this also. She sings. How? How she sings? She sings well. We will get the answer for how. How. Okay. Well is an adverb. Here it adds some meaning to the verb. It is a very lovely palace. It is a very lovely palace. Palace is a noun. Palace. Lovely palace. Lovely means beautiful. Lovely palace. Lovely is an adjective describing a noun. So lovely is an adjective. Lovely, very lovely. It is a very lovely palace. Lovely, very lovely. Very adds some meaning to the adjective lovely. So very is an adverb. Very here adds some meaning to the adjective lovely or modifies lovely. That's why very is an adjective. Here adding some meaning to an adjective. So very is an adverb. Next. The dog runs very fast. The dog runs very fast. The dog runs, verb. Runs fast. Fast is an adverb. Runs fast. Fast adds some meaning to the verb runs. Runs fast. Runs fast, very fast. Fast, very fast. So here very adds some meaning to the adverb fast. So very is an adverb. Here very adds some meaning to the adverb. Here it adds some meaning to the verb. So adverb. Here it adds some meaning to an adjective. This is an adverb. Here this adds some meaning to another adverb. So this is also an adverb. I hope you understood friends. It adds some meaning to a verb, an adjective or another adverb. And there are, we divided adverbs into 7 classes. Let us discuss one by one. The first one is here 7 classes of adverbs. First one, adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. Answer the question how. If you ask a question how, we will get the answer. If you ask how, we will get the answer. Let us see. And moreover, nearly all words ending in ly, all words ending in ly are adverbs of manner. Are adverbs of manner. Words ending in ly are adverbs of manner. Manner means how. We will get the answer for how. Also, these words are also adverbs. Well, hard, fast, so, thus. These are all also adverbs. The queen walks beautifully. How she walks? She walks beautifully. We'll get the answer for how. For manner, adverbs of manner, if we ask a question how, we will get the answer. How the queen walks. The queen walks. How? Beautifully. Beautifully is an adverb. And we can also apply this definition. The queen walks beautifully. Here beautifully adds some meaning to the verb walks. So beautifully is an adverb. Walks beautifully. Beautifully adds some meaning to the verb walks. So beautifully is an adverb. Another one is beautifully is ending with ly. Ly word. Any word, most of the words ending in ly are adverbs. Okay, friends. She plays the guitar well. She plays the guitar well. She plays well. Plays the guitar, plays. How she plays? She plays well. She plays the guitar, plays well. Well adds some meaning to the verb plays. Well adds some meaning to the verb plays. So well is an adverb. How she plays the guitar? Well. We will get the answer for how also. He works hard. How? Hard. How he works? He works hard. Works hard. Hard adds some meaning to the verb works. He works hard. Hard adds some meaning to the verb works. So hard is an adverb. She always speaks loudly. She always speaks loudly. Loudly adds some meaning to the verb speaks. Modify speaks. So loudly it is an adverb. Moreover, how she speaks. If we ask a question how she speaks loudly. And another one is this word ending with ly. Ending in ly. Ly words mostly are adverbs. And it adds some meaning to the verb speaks. That's why this is an adverb. And if we ask a question how, we will get the answer. She always speaks. How she speaks? She speaks loudly. Loudly is an adverb. Okay friends, I hope you understood adverbs of manner. If you ask a question how, we will get the answer. They all come under adverbs of manner. Second one, adverbs of place. Adverbs of place. Here, there, up, down, near, below, above, etc. They indicate place. They show place. So these all come under adverbs of place. For example, she was dancing there. She was dancing there. Where? There. If we ask a question where, we will get the answer. She was dancing there. Indicating a place. Indicating a place means they all come under adverbs of place. They show place. She was dancing there. And here also, dancing there. There adds some meaning to the modifies dancing. In that way also we can take. Don't stand here. Don't stand here. Where? Here. So here, indicating place. So this is an adverb of place. He looked up. He looked up. He looked up. Where? Up. Where? Down. So up is an adverb. And looked up. Look up adds some meaning to the verb looked. So up is an adverb. In that way also we can apply. Don't stand. Stand where? Here. Don't stand here. Here modifies stand. So here is an adverb. My father is out. Where? Out. Out. Outside. Inside. In. Out. These are all adverbs indicating place. My father is out. Come in. Come in. Inside. Into the house. So in indicates the place. So these are all come under adverbs of place. They are all indicating place. So they come under adverbs of place. Next one. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. Now, then, today, tomorrow, early, soon, etc. Answer when. If you ask a question when, you will get the answer. So they all come under adverbs of time. When, we will get the time. Today, yesterday, now, then, and the like, we will get the answer for when. So they all come under adverbs of time. She is playing tennis now. She is playing tennis now. When she is playing? Now. She is playing tennis now. Now is an adverb of time. Will you go to Mumbai tomorrow? Will you go to Mumbai tomorrow? When? Tomorrow. When? If we ask a question when, we will get the answer. When? Tomorrow. So tomorrow is an adverb of time. She talks to me daily. When? Daily. Daily is an adverb. He arrived late yesterday. He arrived late yesterday. When? Arrived? Arrived late. Yesterday he arrived late. Late is an adverb of time. So these words, they indicate time. So that's why if we ask a question when, we will get the answer. So these are all come under adverbs of time. Next one is adverbs of frequency. Frequency means some actions occur frequently, repeatedly, often. So they all come under adverbs of frequency. Often, sometimes, always, usually, twice, never, etc. Adverbs of frequency. So all these answer how often. If we ask a question how often, we will get the answer. They are all come under adverbs of frequency. He often goes to movies. He often goes to movies. Often. Often means he frequently goes to movies. He goes to movies again and again. So often comes how often? How often he goes to movies? He often goes to movies. Often is an adverb. Adverbs of frequency. Because again and again he is going to movies. He frequently goes to movies. So adverb of frequency. He never smokes. He never smokes. Never. So adverb of frequency. All these words come under. She seldom talks to me. She seldom. Seldom is a negative. Never is a negative. Semi-negatives these are. She seldom talks to me. How often? Seldom. Never. And he always meets me. How often? Always. He meets me always. So all these words come under adverbs of frequency because they are expressing an action which occurs again and again or else never. Or else never. It never occurs. So I hope, friends, I hope you understood all these things. So let us proceed further. Discuss fifth one. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree. Very, rather, fairly, quite, to, almost, etc. are used in this adverbs of degree. So they answer the question how much or to what degree. If we ask a question how much, we will get the answer. Or else to what degree, to what extent, or to what degree. If we ask, we will get the answer. She talks very carefully. She talks carefully. To what extent? Very carefully. Very carefully. And the definition also. She talks carefully is an adverb. She talks carefully. Carefully adds some meaning to the verb talks. Talks carefully. Carefully, very carefully. Very adds some meaning to the adverb carefully. So very is an adverb. In that way also. We can apply the definition also. Add carefully adverb. Very carefully. Very also adverb. These apples are almost rotten. To what extent rotten? To what extent? Almost. Almost rotten. Maximum extent rotten. So here, these apples are almost rotten. Almost is an adverb. I am so glad. How much? So much. So glad. So is an adverb. Almost is an adverb. Very is an adverb. She dances pretty well. How much? Pretty well. Well, pretty well. Definition also we can apply. Dances well. Well is an adverb. Well, pretty well. Pretty adds some meaning to the adverb well. So pretty is an adverb. To what extent? Pretty well. She dances pretty well. Pretty adverb. I quite like her. I like her. Like verb. Quite is an adverb. Quite like her. Quite means completely. I like her very much. I like her completely. Quite is an adverb. Quite like, quite like. Quite adds some meaning to the verb, so quite is an adverb. Your answer is partly correct. How much? Partly. To some extent correct, not completely correct. So your answer is partly correct. Partly is an adverb. Partly is an adverb. Partly correct. Correct, partly correct. Okay. And next let us discuss interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs means where, when, how, why, etc. So these are used in asking questions. Asking about place, time and manner. Used in asking about place, time and manner of an action, how that action happened. They are all interrogative adverbs because are used in asking questions. Where do you go? Where do you go? Where? Asking about a place. Where is an adverb, interrogative adverb. When did you meet her? When? Asking about time. So when is an adverb, asking about time. When? Why are you late? Why are you late? Why? Asking about reason, asking a reason. Why is an adverb, interrogative adverb. How did he write the exam? How? Asking about the manner of writing the exam. How? Okay. How did he write the exam? How? Asking about manner. How is an adverb. These are all adverbs, interrogative adverbs because they are used in asking questions. Asking about place, time, reason and manner are interrogative adverbs. Relative adverbs, where, when and why are called as relative adverbs. So are linking words which join two sentences. These are generally used to link or to join two sentences together. And this is the place where he was killed. This is the place where he was killed. Relative adverbs relates or refers to the noun going before. Where refers to the place. This is the place where he was killed. Where refers to the place. So where is an adverb, relative adverb. Where indicating place. I can't forget the day when I got the job. I can't forget the day when I got the job. When is used instead of the day. When refers to the day. When relates to the day. So when, asking about time. So when is an adverb. Relative adverb. Relates or refers to the day. I can't forget the day when I got the job. This is the reason why I resigned. This is the reason why I resigned. Why refers to the reason. This is the reason why I resigned. Why refers to the reason. So relates the reason. So why is an adverb, relative adverb. Relates the places or time going before, the nouns going before. Here this is the place, this is the time, the day, this is the reason. Did you know the year when he married? Did you know the year when he married? When refers to the year, relates to the year. And here these are all joining two sentences. So when is an adverb? It is a relative adverb. So I hope you friends, I hope you all understood what is an adverb. We discussed in detail, in depth about the history of adverbs. I hope that definitely it will help you all actually in competitive exams and school and college. So please like and share it to all your friends and groups friends and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching all my videos and supporting me. Thank you.